Oh, she talking kitties. Don't post that on YouTube! Okay guys, the weather... Oh, sorry, good afternoon on Oshita Kitties. I just want to show the weather's brewing in. I'll just show you outside. So hang on. Look at that guys, you can just smell it. Wow. It's literally coming in. And, so yeah, it's building up guys. And so I'm so freaking scared of this! No, I'm not. In the meantime, we've had a few showers here and there. But I'm not sure when we're getting the thunderstorms, but I know it's supposed to be building up and what have you. Oh, for goodness grief. These damn pins keep falling down. So, but oh well. But yeah, it's brewing in, folks. So be scared. Yes, look at that, guys. Clouds pretty black. I just don't know what time the thunder is. It's meant to hit between now and dinner time tonight, so could be any time. Wow, guys, it's really coming in. Deadly. Wow. Okay, guys, I just heard the thunder. It's just kicking in. Wow. Wow, guys. Holy crap. Get him. Oh, yeah. Now, this is the rain we were waiting for, I think. Look at it, guys. It's nuts. Look at all that rain. Huge spots. I'm gonna go out the front now. Oh my god, look at that! Whoa! This is nuts, guys! Wow, we've been waiting for this, guys. Wow, it's really gotten to the seats. Holy cow. Be interesting if we all get flooded again. Look at the road, it's going nuts. Whoa. Wow. Gee, look near that driveway. Man, guys. This is nuts. This is nuts. Wow, look at all that. We're gonna get flooded again, guys. Wow. Creeks are gonna go nuts. That's why I have not put any Christmas lights on the grass, in case we all get flooded again like last week. It's been an hour and it's still going berserk. Look, the road's almost full of water. Oh my lord. Ooh. Eddie's going 20 million miles an hour. Look at the neighbour's roof, you can hardly see it. That's how heavy the rain is.